Hi guys, happy new year. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. So today's video is a speed cleaning video. We are going to be cleaning my son's room, which has gotten way out of hand. And I just haven't been able to get in here to clean it up. You guys, he loves to draw and do crafts and really makes use of his scissors and all the paper he can get his hands on. So today we're going to be cleaning this up. We've got to leave the mess of last year behind us, all of the depression and all of the sadness and all of the weighty things that were keeping us from getting our house in order. That is all behind us, okay? So let's get to cleaning. And I got him to help me out with his room because this cannot be all me, right? And please stay tuned. I'm going to be making a couple of announcements about what's going on with this channel and what I'll be doing this year.
Subscribe and have a good day. And leave a like to the video. Sponsor for Diana. And comment down below what you want to do us, what you want us to clean tomorrow.
So on just a quick serious note, I just wanted to say that I don't know how the end of the year was for you last year, but for me, I felt really overwhelmed towards the end of the year. It's actually honestly why I haven't posted a video in a while, because I couldn't find the energy or the motivation to really bring myself to a mental place where I could record these videos and post them. And this is something I love to do. So I was feeling really overwhelmed. But it's a new year and I have some new goals, and I hope you do too, for making life a little bit better this year. But I hope that you are happy wherever you are, and that this new year brings about a lot of positive change for all of us. So we're almost done with the kids' room, and then I will move on to speed cleaning the bathroom. And then at that point, I will give you guys some updates on what will be coming up for this channel soon. But in the meantime, I just am left with having to fix the beds, and then I'm gonna get my son to clean this chalkboard, which he is super excited about. Not. And that's pretty much it, you guys. The room is done. It's looking so good. I am so proud of my kids for coming and helping out. I know my son loves to draw and color and cut and just do stuff with paper. And so it's so easy for the room to get really messy and things like that. But he was super helpful in cleaning up. So I'm so proud of him. I think he did such a good job of cleaning with me today. And the room looks amazing. So we're done for now pretty much. And then we're going to move on to the bathroom. So we're doing just a quick speed cleaning in the bathroom today, tidying up. It's not in awful shape. We are just cleaning up for the week. Stick around. I'm about to make our announcement for the channel. So for those of you who've seen my previous videos, especially the one on why I started a YouTube channel, if you haven't seen that video, I will link it right here for you. Feel free to see it after hearing this announcement. But the reason I started a YouTube channel back in 2021 was because at the time I was going through some kind of like rough patches where I felt like I was being pulled in so many different directions. I was feeling overwhelmed. So much was going on, not just with COVID, but you know, we had water damage in our house, just family responsibilities, just everything. And I'm sure a lot of people were and maybe continue to go through these challenges, but I just felt like I didn't have the energy or the motivation to even do things like house chores. And so as a way to motivate myself and find the energy, I decided to start recording myself. And then I decided to put up this YouTube channel where I get to share with everybody what I was doing as a way to motivate myself and anybody else who might have been feeling the same way. And so that was the reason I started the YouTube channel, and it continues to be the reason why I want to create videos. Now, I haven't posted in the last couple of months because I've been going through something similar again, where just feeling really overwhelmed with life and everything that's going on. But I want to motivate people who might be feeling the same way. So I want to add new content to this video, not just about cleaning, but everything lifestyle. I want to show cooking videos. I want to show mental health and physical health topics covered on this channel so that we can learn to grow and do better this year and just bring about change. So if you have any New Year's resolutions, feel free to share them below. But this is my goal for 2022 for this channel. I hope you are as excited as me. I am excited to add to the content that we currently have. So I hope you will continue to watch and continue to participate and share any thoughts you might have. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you for watching, and we will see you soon. Thank you. Bye.